Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's K3D, and today I'll be teaching you how to create this MTN logo in 3D. Now let's get started. First, I'll import a simple plane RX90. I would have created this logo in Illustrator and import the SVG files, but let me decided to create it from Blender. Okay, this is just a simple plane. Okay, let's grab these vertices and bring them down, create some more vertices here and here, grab this and this, E to extrude down, something like this. And also this, press scale it down, something like this, grab the vertices and put them around here. Okay, now here we go RX and bring some more vertices, grab this and this, E to extrude. Stay and follow along. At the end of this tutorial I have a special bonus for you. Okay, let's create the first one here, also the MTN. Okay, bring this here and grab the vertices, bring them around here, and this around here, and this. Okay, Ctrl R to bring some more vertices into the plane, extrude, and then extrude again here. Something like this, and E again. Okay, now here we go. Our logo is done. Bring this here and this here. Now let's extrude our logo. Tab, then select all, E to extrude. Here we go, it's done. Grab this and this, edit mode, then E to extrude them backwards. Now for this I'll put on some subdivision surface, but I won't go in here to add it. I'll just select all the vertices and press Ctrl B, then try to scroll my mouse something like this for the uniform vertices to all the meshes that I've created. Now for this is where I will go and add the subdivision surface. Let's try to make it a good object, a good 3D model. Shift A, plane RX90, bring this here and bring this around here. Now let's go to Ctrl Alt 0, bring the camera in. N for side view, lock the camera. Let's scale in, something like this. Grab the camera. I always like my focal length to be as low as 15, something like this. That's how I always like it. You may also have your own view, your own proper understanding of focal length, but for me I like it as this. Now let's go to the rendered view, and set up some lighting, some proper lighting. So far this is what we have. I'll make the radius around 3, something like this. Then add some ambient occlusion, subdivision, imperfection, blah 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 blah. Then create some materials here. It had a yellow background, and we shall put the specular around something like this. Okay, now this logo was currently in black. Let's make it metallic. Let's make it metallic and bring the roughness a little bit down, and then the color make it something like this. Then we shall do the same to this. Link the materials. Okay, then let's first finish setting up our lights in a proper manner, something like this. Okay, now we are done. The special bonus is I'm going to do some animations to this logo, the MTN logo. Let's first grab all this and go to object, set origin to geometry. Go to this frame, then press S, enter, then go to this frame S0. That's it. Let's see. Yeah, then press T, give it that, yeah, something like this. Now we want this to first come, then this and the other ones. We shall put this on frame 30, this also on frame 40, something like this. Yeah, now this is our camera. I'm going to animate it like this. G, enter, then go to this first frame, then zoom in something like this. Yes, yeah, then zoom out, then go back and zoom in, then go back, zoom out, then yeah, that's it guys, nothing much. Then this is how it looks like when it's done. Yeah, I have the project files linked in description, so kindly subscribe and enjoy more videos from this channel. Yeah, thanks for watching.